Welcome to the School of Rockstar. This is another episode of Think Like a Rock Star. Today we are going to think like Evan Carmichael.
Is stay top of mind. What you want to do is think about your network and the people who are around your business and find ways to stay top of mind so that they keep thinking about you and they keep finding ways to help you grow your business. So here's a quick example. There's a friend of mine named Fabi Saba. You can look her up on Twitter. It's FABISABA. And she recently wrote a blog post about how girls should not only be treated like princesses, but you could also make them superheroes. I think she made a video on it. And so I came across a blog post that talked about the same thing. And so I forwarded it on to her saying, hey, I thought you might enjoy this. On top of that, she's all about empathy. Her one word is empathy, and she's trying to teach parents and kids to have empathy towards each other and using that as your parenting style. And I came across a campaign called the KIND campaign, which is anti-bullying and served kind of the same audience. And it really showed how an organization was using their one word and making it a powerful movement. So it's KIND campaign, I think it's .com. And I just forwarded it off to her. And I'm doing this all the time. And what you want to do is when you are connecting with people in your network, find something about them that they love, that they're interested in, and try to remember it in your day-to-day activities, right? Like I haven't spoken to Fabi, connected with her in a long time, and I came across this article and sent it off to her, and now she's remembering me again, and nothing may ever come of it, and that's cool. But if you do that enough with all the people in your network, your name is going to stay top of mind, and you're going to get new business, you're going to have a lot more.
He says that we need to stay top of the mind. Think about what you need to do is think about the circle, the community you have. Think about the people that you're surrounded with, and think about the people who helps you with the business or with your personal life. So what you need to do is you need to stay top of the mind. What you can do is for example, in my case, what I can say is if I see something interesting related to yoga or related to some life coaching thing that will be useful, I will share that video or I will share that link to Tommy Trasher. So because I remember him, because I really feel that video will be useful for him, so I will share him that video, and he will think of, and it's really helpful for them. You need to stay at the top of their mind. And also one more thing I did is if I see something creative related to handicrafts, homemade things, or some interesting crafty things, I will share. Or even if it's related to motivational video or inspirational video that will be helpful, related to artists, so that they can build their level up their empire, like a YouTube channel, or else if I find something useful related to artistic things, how to make handicraft things, then I will share that video to Mimi, the crafty beach, because I feel that may be useful for her. So she always listens or watches that video and sends me the reply, because I felt I want to share that message. I don't want to be selfish sometimes. I don't want to be selfish. If I see something useful or helpful, I will share it to the world. I will share it to somebody who also get help with that. So you need to always stay at the top of their mind, because if I see something, any interview that I can say one example. If I see anyone on Evan Carmichael's YouTube channel, I will share that video to that particular person. like for example, I shared Jeremy Stickney's video link to him, and also I shared couple of videos to our respective person. Some like Yuko, the best example is Yuko. Yuko, she is a hairstylist, and she has been like she had been on Evan's morning coffee show. So she spoke with about her confidence and what changes she need to do to make her business and make her one word strong and make her message strong to reach large audience. So they, in that conversation they spoke about it, and I saw that Evan posted that video on Evan Carmichael YouTube channel. So when I saw that, I shared it to Yuko. I shared that link to Yuko. She felt really happy, and she messaged me saying that it is like I saved it as my favorite video list. So it really, like, sometimes you feel it's a small thing, but for other people it will be like a big thing. If you feel something will be useful for others, share that video to others, share that link to others, because you need to always, you need to think like you need to stay at the top of their mind. It may be not helpful for them at this particular instant, but it may help them in in the life or in their next step in their business, because you don't know. Everything always helps. Like, don't underestimate anything, and you need to stay. It is one of the if you are in a business and you need the top a marketing strategy, it is one of the marketing strategy, because if you think of your community, if you think of the people who you think those people can also bring you value or help you in your business, you need to also help them. You need to also stay at the top of their mind, because if you need to make it as a not a daily routine, but you need to make you need to think at least one or two persons daily who can help you in your business or who can lift you up. Share them, or who can add value to your your business or your life. Share them what you love or what you see. If you see something helpful to related to them, share it to them. I really shared so many. For example, I can say Vinay Sharma, one Indian boy, he always joins me on Instagram, he always joins me on Instagram live sessions, and I got to know that he is in a depression, and he is habituated to bad habits like drinking and smoking because of some love failure. So he told me that one or two sentences about him, what he's going through. Then what I did is I shared him the resources that he can so that that he can change himself, change his mindset, because he is also doing a mindset shift right now. He's reading books, he's into meditation, he's consulting some psychologist to speak about his problems, and also he's doing a lot. And also what I did from my end is I shared some inspirational videos, some book recommendations that I have, so I shared with him, so it might be helpful for him. You need to stay by doing that we became friends. He always he always daily for almost 10 to 20 days he almost joined in every live I did on Instagram. That's really helpful. He's adding value to my thing, what I'm doing. If you you need to remember them and you need to help them with the small things, because sometimes like small things will make a big difference in someone's life. You need to like, if you want to make the difference that you want to see, like you need to be different and you need to face the fear. Don't be in the comfort zone, come out of that zone. Don't be a victim of your life, be a rock star. And you need to think like always stay top of their mind. If they need any help, they will first contact you because you are on the top list. Don't be a victim, be a rock star. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.